Hi, this is Anthony with Running for Heroes. Today I'll be running a mile for Jared Bird. Jared Bird was 36 years old. He was fighting a wildfire when he crashed into the river. I'll be doing a moment of silence before I begin my mile.
Anthony is beginning his second mile in honor of pilot Jared Bird, who unfortunately lost his life on July the 21st when his helicopter crashed into the river while fighting a wildfire in Idaho. Anthony is joined by Klein Independent School District Police Department. Corporal Lawrence Kendall is following behind. He'll be running 4 laps, which equals 1 mile, here at Criminal Intermediate School in Spring, Texas. Anthony is joined by several law enforcement, first responders here in the Houston area to honor this pilot who lost his life in the line of duty while fighting a wildfire. He's running with a red line flag today in honor of pilot Jared Bird. Who was 36 years old, leaves behind a loving family. Once again, we appreciate the support of our first responders, Klein Independent School District, Harris County Sheriff's Department, Harris County Precinct 4, Galena Park Police Department, as well as the City of Oak Ridge North Police Department. Anthony's completing his first of 4 laps, joined by several first responders here today to honor fallen pilot Jared Bird. As Anthony starts his second of 4 laps, we want to once again thank our first responders for everything that they do. We always appreciate Corporal Lawrence Kendall coming out and supporting Anthony and honoring our fallen. As Anthony completes his second lap, again, we're joined by first responders out here in Texas to honor our fallen from Idaho. Our hearts are with them, and pilot Jared Bird and his family. Anthony's running with a red line flag today in honor of pilot Jared Bird, who lost his life while fighting fire in Idaho. Jared Bird was 36 years old. Unfortunately lost his life on July the 21st, 2022, when his helicopter crashed into a river while fighting fire. Anthony is now starting his third lap. Once again in honor of Jared Bird, who is a pilot. He's fighting a wildfire in Idaho and sadly lost his life when his helicopter crashed. This is Anthony's second mile today. And we appreciate everyone who's come out to support him today. As Anthony completes his third lap, I want to remind that we are out here to honor fallen pilot Jared Bird, who sadly lost his life on July the 21st while fighting a fire, moose fire out in Idaho. Our hearts are with the state of Idaho and the family of pilot Jared Bird. He was only 36 years old when he lost his life. We appreciate all the first responders that came out to support Anthony and to honor our fallen hero today. Anthony is joined by Klein Independent School District, Harris County Constable Precinct 4, Harris County Sheriff's Department, City of Galena Park Police Department, as well as the City of Oak Ridge North Police Department. We also want to thank the Kaylee Mills Foundation, who always come out to support and bring water for first responders. Anthony is finishing up his third lap. Last words, Anthony?
Thank you all for watching once again. I hope. Sorry. Thank you all for watching. I really thank God for supporting me, and I'll be doing a 21-second silence, just like the 21-second gun salute. Thank you for watching.